Welcome to AI Explained. In this episode, we'll take an in-depth look at artificial intelligence, or AI, one of the most transformative technologies of our time. We'll explore the history of AI, its different types, its applications, and its future potential. The concept of AI has been around for centuries, but it wasn't until the 1950s that AI research really began to take off. Early AI researchers were inspired by the human brain, and they tried to create machines that could think and reason like humans. However, these early attempts were unsuccessful, and AI research went through a period of stagnation in the 1970s. In the 1980s, AI research began to make progress again, thanks to the development of new technologies like machine learning. Machine learning is a type of AI that allows computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. This made it possible for AI to start to tackle real-world problems, and AI research has been rapidly advancing ever since. There are two main types of AI: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform a specific task, such as playing chess or recognizing faces. General AI is a more ambitious goal, and it aims to create machines that can perform any intellectual task that a human can. General AI is still in its early stages of development, but it is a rapidly growing field of research. AI is already being used in a wide variety of applications, including natural language processing. AI is used to understand human language, and it is used in applications such as chatbots, machine translation, and speech recognition. Computer vision. AI is used to process images and videos, and it is used in applications like self-driving cars, facial recognition, and medical diagnosis. Machine learning. AI is used to train machine learning models, and it is used in applications like fraud detection, spam filtering, and personalized recommendations. The future of AI is full of promise. AI has the potential to revolutionize many industries, and it has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems. However, there are also some challenges that need to be addressed before AI can reach its full potential. These challenges include data privacy. AI systems need to be trained on large amounts of data, and this data can be sensitive. Job displacement. AI is automating many jobs, and this could lead to job displacement. Ethical implications. AI systems could be used to make decisions that have ethical implications. AI is a powerful technology with the potential to change the world. It is important to understand the potential benefits and risks of AI so we can use it responsibly. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of AI. In future videos, we'll explore AI in more depth, and we'll look at some of the challenges and opportunities that AI presents. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications on our upcoming content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.